All right, we are at Value Village. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna show you how our family spends $5 a month per person. And there's 6 people in our family, so we only budget $30 a month. That's what that means. There's not one simple answer for how you do that. One of the most important ways is that we head into Value Village, or it's called Savers in other parts of the country. We hit there are 50% off sales. They have 3 a year. They have one on President's Day, they have one on Memorial Day, and one on Labor Day. So we plan to hit those 3 sales, and we just keep a running list until it's time to go in. And we can spend $100, $120 and basically fill our car. One of the things I suggest is, well, one, you're going to want to bring a list, but you're going to find all kinds of stuff. Also, I think that you should wear slip-on shoes and wear a fitted shirt, because sometimes you can't get into the dressing room, and so you want to be able to stand in front of a mirror and try on shirts and coats and things. So I've got my slip-on shoes, and I've got my I have a tank top under this coat. We're gonna hit the shoes first because they go fast. Let's go see what they have. I think these are kind of cute. I've been wanting some from Land's End. These are, gosh, they're brand new. Oh, and they're my size. Cute North Face boots. Same price, $13. Okay, so these are going to be $8. So one of the most difficult things to buy at thrift stores is actually shoes for men. I think just because they wear them out. But this is the best selection I have seen in about 15 years. It's only $5, so normally like $150. Okay,
you shouldn't tell people the real price, they might change it.
Look at the edge on that cute little girl's dress. So that would be $1.50. These are drapes. But oh man, I like want to make this into a summer dress, like a maxi dress. Maybe. Okay, I need to get myself some dresses and some cute tops for when I'm filming. So let's see what we can find. I pretty much look at my size and then I go up one size. If I go down, I tend to be frustrated because I'll find something and then I can't wear it. And I just go through every single dress. This would be $3 for this skirt. I find that there is a great selection of workout clothes, sports bras, workout tops, joggers. I don't know what that means. Does that mean people don't work out as much as they intend to? This one's pretty cute. Really soft fabric. This one's cute, nice and snug. This one. Now, girls, one thing I suggest is always going through the coats. And you find a good coat, a good wool coat or something, you can keep that for 15 years. One of my daughters got me, put this in the cart for me. I'll take that as a compliment. So we are almost done. I now need to get some things for my husband. The biggest tip I would say is when you're buying pants for a guy, a lot of things that are donated actually have the wrong sizes, and that's why they're donated. So you always want to try stuff on, but if he's not with you, you need to measure the actual waistband and the inseam to make sure that it is his size. I've learned that the hard way. Okay, we are done. What time is it, guys? Yeah, I think that took 4.5 hours. Anytime I have to get clothes for me, it is a big job. So, yeah. But we did it. I think I got 2 pairs of shoes, a dress, and about 7 tops, which is what I needed. Okay, now we should do try-ons. So this top is a J. Crew top. It was $3.90. These boots I've had on my Pinterest board for a while, this style. Super cute. I did splurge a little bit, but because they've been on my board for so long, I don't feel bad about it. They ended up costing $13. Normally I would like to stay below 10 on a pair of shoes, but they are boots. They're fleece lined and waterproof. This sweatshirt was $5. I couldn't resist this one. It was so huge and so cozy. I had to grab this one. It was $6. It's gonna be my comfort sweatshirt for when I'm eating my comfort food on rainy nights. I needed something for when I was out running, just to cover up, and so I grabbed this for $5. This one's really fun. My daughter brought it over to me when I was shopping and said, "You have to get this, Mom, this is so you." So I took that as a huge compliment, and I now own a Wonder Woman t-shirt. It was $2.25, and it still had the tags on it, brand new shirt. Okay, and then this cute little navy top with the roll-up sleeves on the side. This was $3.50. I think I'm gonna really like wearing this with my white jeans in the summer. All right, this next piece is this beautiful chunky necklace that I got to go with this coral skirt that I have. The necklace cost $2.25. Okay, I got this cute little navy sweater for $2.75, and it still had the tag on it, and it was regularly $40. Were these black heels, and these were $8. They're very comfortable. This last clothing article that I got is a little navy dress. I'm thinking of wearing it for Easter, and it was $6. That was my big shopping day for the year, actually. I don't think I'm probably gonna need anything else for the year. And my total came to $57.65 for all the things I just showed you. My husband also got 3 shirts for $6 each, so $18. I let each of the kids have $20, and they loaded up. They got piles of clothes for $2 and $3 a piece. And then anything else that they wanted extra, they had some spending money, and they did get a few extra things. So that's how we have done our clothes for the last 12 years. It does work. I am very happy with my wardrobe, and I recommend it for anyone who wants to know another way to save money on clothes. All right, if you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I do post regularly, and I share my DIY design advice and our vintage farm life. All right, take care. I will talk to you soon.